Greetings once again, Steve Martin. We are in north central Illinois, and I've been by this property a few times. So has my good friend Abe Lincoln. It has been reported that Mr. Lincoln stayed here. We are just west of Utica, actually east, facing that direction along the Illinois River. And Abe, maybe when he was a circuit lawyer, came by here and stayed overnight. This building would thus be at least 150 years, say from 1855, 1955, 2025. Yeah, you got it. I've always been amazed at this place. We can't go in, though I'd love to. Hey, I don't see anybody nearby. Cover my tracks as I go in, okay? Don't tell anybody. These guys got to go in. Two cranes out there. No, not the cranes you see in Israel building. These are two live cranes. They're brown. I've never seen brown, I've seen gray. They get to go in. It's not fair. We got some rain coming. And just to prove that I, Steve Martin, took you, the Walk With Me fan, on this journey in Illinois, I'm going to prove that I am here. There it is. Right for the Peace of Jerusalem. Yes, that's my car. Laura Jean is sitting in the car. I've always liked this place. Abe Lincoln, Abraham, loved the Lord, loved Israel, freed the slaves. He was a good president. Shalom.